যে in recognition of the unparalleled contribution of the Tata Groups and its chairman emeritus, late Sri Ratan Naval Tata, the first Assam Vaibhav awardee himself, the state cabinet has approved the naming of the entire area covered by the Assam Semiconductor and Electronics Logistic Park, Tata OSAT Center, and proposed township with the social infrastructure as Ratan Tata Electronic City, Jagirod. It is the beginning has been made by the Tata Group. So, if Tata would not have taken this bold decision to set up a semiconductor OSAT facility in Assam, probably this would not have been, we would not have seen so much response from the industrialists of the other industrialists of the country. So, as a grateful state, we have decided to name our electronic city in Jagirod as Ratan Tata Electronic City, Jagirod.